Hello, my name is Guillermo Sirke and I'm a disaster risk management specialist with the Global Facility for Disaster Reduction and Recovery. And I'm joined here today with my colleague Swarna Kazi, who is leading our engagements in Bangladesh. Swarna, could you kindly share with us what are the challenges that Bangladesh is currently facing when it comes to emergency preparedness and response?
Embedding resilience into systems and structures are among the defining challenges Bangladesh faces. With climate change, our assumptions about what makes us safe and resilient has been evolving over time. But despite the scale of the challenges Bangladesh faces, it is embracing it head-on. With the Urban Resilience Project, analytics and investments in strengthening systems and institutions, emergency management and response, and understanding and addressing risk are being undertaken.
Thank you for sharing that background and context. Thinking about these lines, how do you think the bank can support Bangladesh as they work towards strengthening their capacity on EOCs and emergency preparedness and response?
The World Bank, as a broker of knowledge, in addition to being a provider of finance, places great importance on sharing experience, insight, and knowledge across countries. We know that countries can learn from one another, even at various stages of development. From the World Bank, in order to better support our clients, we try to ensure and facilitate this exchange across countries for more enhanced and effective operations.
Thank you, Swarna, for being with us here today.
Thank you.